Em chị công mà cả nói là đấy là anh mà.
Good
Hi, good,
evening, teacher.
good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So, yes, good evening once again. How are you today, Kuyen?
I'm happy.
Good to hear that you're very happy. Good, good. Can you show me happy face? Yay. Did you eat already your dinner?
Yes.
All right. What did you eat? I believe you eat rice.
Rice
And what
and
else?
pork.
Oh, rice and pork. Okay. Oh, why is that there's a lot of people in your place? Because
Huh?
why there's a lot of people in your place? Your dad
And yes.
and who else? Your
And
grandpa?
my parents.
Mm, they are talking with.
They're talking with um, um I don't know.
All right. Okay, let's continue since I believe we are all set now. So we have here complete.
Teacher, we
Ah,
did it.
yeah, wait.
We studying unit 3.
Ah, sorry. We're now in unit 3. Yeah, thank you so much for reminding me. All right. Lesson 1. Ah, okay, this one. Oh, we are the same room. All right. Okay, this one. So still our topic Kuyen is all about what's the time?
Yes.
All right, what's the time now? Okay, so let's continue with the dialogue of Timmy and Sam. Okay, so we have here Timmy said, did
Did you bring your phone? Did you bring your phone? You can check the time. Oh yes. Wow, it's a quarter to 1.
all right, so we read this word as war.
Quarter. Quarter.
Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed. Kuyen, go, 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 go. We have here. Oh,
Oh my. We are half an hour late. No wonder we are hungry.
all right. Okay, Kuyen, can you just give me 1 minute? Teacher will just use toilet, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kuyen. So let's continue. All right, next. Come. Or can I hear you?
Come on, let's go for lunch.
All right, so
Okay,
thinking.
I'm already thinking of when to have supper.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Kuyen. Now we have here, let's
Let's
practice.
practice.
Okay, you are going to match and say. All right, let's read first all the words we have.
Quarter,
Next.
quarter, supper, half, stop.
Okay, go, Kuyen. Match it.
I'm done.
All right, so quarter is, okay, this one. Okay, this is supper and half, and then, okay. Very good, Kuyen. So you've got 4/4. Okay,
Four.
perfect score. Now let's proceed to another activity. All right, so in this activity, Kuyen, you are going to complete the,
Complete the sentences with the words in the word bank.
yeah, so complete the sentences with the words in the word bank. Okay, so we have here this one, sa.
Supper,
Next, we have,
half, quarter.
all right, go, Kuyen, fill in the missing word.
I'm
Right,
done.
so let's read. It's
It's a quarter to 5.
number
It's
2,
5:30.
and then,
It's 6 o'clock. It's time for supper.
okay, supper.
Supper.
Okay, very good. Okay, next activity. You are going to identify the possessive adjective, all right? Or you are going to choose what possessive adjective you are going to answer. Okay, this one. Okay,
Done.
let's read.
My
Number,
book is on the desk.
all right, so we have here my number 2.
The girl is playing with her cat.
All right, so the girl is playing with her. Next.
Timmy is playing with his friend.
All right, so he's. Now, Huyen, your turn. Make a sentence. Okay, one for this one for my, one for her, and one for his. Go, Huyen. Possessive adjective. Go, Huyen. Alright, tell me
I'm done.
You're done?
Yes.
All right, so let's read your answer. Go, go, go. My
My book is pink. My brother has a car. His car is blue. Her glasses are black.
Okay, thank you so much. That is correct. Yay. Great job, Kuyen. So now you know those are example, Kuyen, of possessive adjective. So I let you answer or share that possessive adjective because in your school you will also um, get or have a lesson of that. All right, next, complete the role play using the hints. Have,
Now, stop.
stop, and
Quarter.
okay, go, Kuyen. Mom.
Mom, what's the time now? I'm so hungry.
So
It's
it
past four. It's half past four. It's strange that I'm hungry too. Oh,
oh,
Mom, our clock stopped. Oh, look at my watch. It's 6:45 now.
all right. Quarter. Sorry, four. All right. Awesome. This is correct. So 100 over 100. Kuyen. Very good. Next. Activity. All right. So for tonight, you learn about
Today I learned topic time. What's the time now? Keywords: half, stop, father, suffer, grammar, possessive, adjective. My watch has stopped.
okay. So yes. Lesson 2 is done. So let's proceed to lesson number. Lesson 1 is done. So let's proceed to lesson 2. All right. Okay, so we have here. All right, this is the new topic or lesson that we are going to discuss, Kuyen. Now, can you describe what can you see in the picture?
I can see Timmy is talk with his class about he and his friends are at the fair.
Okay. All right, so they are in the classroom, right? It's a classroom setup and they're talking with each other. Like there is Sam and Cindy. Now, this is the title of our topic and lesson. We have,
My favorite month.
okay, perfect. My favorite month. Now, Kuyen, what is your favorite month?
My favorite month mm, is March
Oh, you like March. Why do you like March, Kuyen?
because it's spring and I can
Because,
visit my and it's state holiday. I can visit my grandparents um, and have lucky money.
that's great. All right. So that is your favorite month. So yes, all of us really has a favorite month because for us it is the lucky month. It gives us a lot of money and also we celebrate birthday, right, Kuya? So that is why we choose favorite month. Me, my favorite month is December because December is the month where I was born. Because teacher's birthday is on December 6th. Right, so that is why I love or my favorite month is December. Now we have here, we are going to learn
Topic
topic
time, my favorite month. Keywords: month, May, October, November.
Grammar.
Grammar. Nominal possessive pronouns.
Nominal.
Nominal
Nominal possessive
pronouns.
pronoun. All right, very good. So we have here, okay, a warm up, Kuyen. Now we have here all about, okay, this one.
All about me.
Yes, it's all about you. So all about what are the things you like. What are your favorite? Okay, so first question, Kuyen. Let's read.
My favorite animal is cat
Oh, you like cat because why do you like cat?
because it's cute.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Mm, that's all.
It is also not difficult to take care of, right, Kuyen?
Just
All right. Now we have here, how about this one? What is your favorite color?
my favorite color is pink.
Oh, pink. You like pink because I thought you like purple
No, I like pink more
because
because it's beautiful. It's pretty.
it's pretty. Oh, okay. All right, my favorite color is green and white. All right. I love green because I love nature, Kuyan. All right. I love to see trees, plants. All right.
My favorite number is 4.
Right. Okay. So now,
Hello?
oh, what happened?
Uh, Hello.
All right. Okay. What is your favorite number? Your favorite number is.
It's 4.
Oh, why do you like 4?
Because I think it's lucky.
It's a lucky. When is your birthday, Kuya?
Mm, it's in July 13.
Not okay. So you don't. Oh, it's next month. Ah, next month is your birthday. Okay. Do you have any plans on your birthday?
No.
No. Are you going to
Yes.
have a birthday party? Oh, Kuya, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Thank you, Kuya. Sorry, my baby is wake up.
Oh,
Yeah, he wakes up. So, anyways, all right. So let's continue.
he's hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry. That's why he wakes up. Is it okay?
Yes.
All right. So how about this one? Oh, so since your birthday is July 13, why don't you choose 13 as your favorite number?
No.
You don't like?
Yes. 30 is unlucky.
Okay. All right. So what are your plans on your birthday for next month, Kuya?
No. I want I can have a lot of um a lot of
Do you
a
have
lot
any
of
plans?
sweets.
Sweets? Like chocolate? Muffin?
Yes.
Oh,
I
cakes?
like sweets.
Okay, that is your plan for your birthday. Mm, all right. Next, my name is.
My name is Gwen. I am 9 years old.
All right. Next, my favorite.
My favorite food is chicken
Wow. Why do you like chicken?
because it's tasty and it's delicious.
Yes. All right. So you like chicken because. All right. So have you eaten Jollibee yet?
Huh?
Have you tried to eat Jollibee?
No.
Ah,
I I eat I ate KFC,
KFC, yeah.
Lotteria and McDonald's.
McDonald's. But how about Jollibee? You haven't eaten Jollibee? You should try.
No.
Jollibee is yummy because Jollibee is from the Philippines, right? It's a Filipino food.
Um,
Yes. All right. So my favorite month is, again, what is your favorite month? You have
my favorite month is March.
March. Okay, March because you receive a lot of lucky
Money.
money. Okay, very good. Next, thank you so much for that, Kuyen. Thank you for sharing all about you. Me, all about
Mm,
me. Okay, let's have me, teacher Jennifer. So my favorite animal is a panda. All right. I also love hamster. Again, my favorite color is color green.
green.
Yes. My favorite number is 6. Okay, so my name is teacher Jennifer and I am 33 years old. My favorite food is
Jollibee.
chicken also, or somehow barbecue pork or pork barbecue. And then my favorite month is, you know it. What is teacher favorite month?
December.
Yes, perfect. December. All right. Now we have here. Let's prepare, Kuyen. All right. So we have here now. Look at the picture. What can you see, Kuyen?
I can see these are 12 months in a year.
All right. Very good. So those are how many?
12.
12. All
12.
right. Yes, very good. So there are 12 months in 1 year. So what are those?
Those are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
All right. So those are January, February. Okay. It starts with the month of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November. So there are, go
12
Kuya,
months.
there are 12.
There are 12 months in a year.
Okay, perfect. So there are 12 months. So imagine for how many days in 1 year?
Mm, um, 3,065
Three
days.
3,000?
365
Okay, very good. So there are 365
days.
days in 1 year. How many days in 1 week?
7 days.
Perfect. How many hours in 1 day?
24 hours.
How many minutes in 1 hour?
60 minutes.
All right. How many seconds in 1 minute?
60 seconds.
Oh, very good. Very good. Good job. You're very smart, Kuya. I like it. All right. So we have here the word is month.
Month.
All right. So since it's just, for example, when you say 1 month, okay, because it's the only one. But when it comes to, you will say 2 months
Months.
with letter S. All right.
Yes.
3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Okay.
Months.
Now this one. How many
Months.
months again in 1 year, Kuya?
There are 12 months in a year.
All right, perfect. So there are 12. Okay, thank you so much, Kuya. There are 12 months in 1 year. Okay, next, let's have another vocabulary. Look in the picture. What can you see, Kuya?
Let us see. Mother's Day is in May.
All right, Mother's Day. All right, so does Vietnam celebrates Mother's Day, Kuya? No?
I know.
Ah, okay. Oh, Kuyen, time is up. So class is finished. And by the way, I received your homework. I will gonna check it later. All right. So come on and see you again on Thursday, same time, 9 p.m. No, 8:30 Vietnamese time. Bye
8:30.
bye.
Goodbye.